Hi everyone, and welcome to Money Talks. Today we are going to take a look at 5 luxury apartments that you can actually afford, situated in some of the most incredible locations in the world. Think it's not possible? Well, stay tuned and you might just be in for a shock. Coming in at number 5 is a 2-bedroom apartment in the beautiful and prestigious city of Barcelona, Spain. Located in the city center in the La Sagrada Familia zone, this apartment only cost €850 per month. La Sagrada Familia is home to the world-famous temple of Gaudi's Sagrada Familia, which is still under construction. The Avinguda de Gaudi starts from this temple, which leads to the northern end of the neighborhood, where the Hospital de la Santa Creu i Sant Pau is located. Built by Luis Domènech i Mantaner, this hospital is another magnificent work of Catalan modernism that, together with the Temple of the Sagrada Familia, has been declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. The apartment itself is fully furnished to a high standard. There is a balcony in the lounge area, and both bedrooms are also graced with a balcony. The bedrooms are complete with fitted wardrobes, the furniture is modern, and the decor is bright and stylish. For an apartment of this caliber, this really is a great price, as many 2-bedroom apartments in the city can cost up to €1,500 a month on average. Moving on from Spain, we are hopping across the pond to New York, Washington Heights, Manhattan to be precise. Coming in at number 4, at a reasonable sum of $925 a month, you can rent a bedroom in this luxurious apartment in one of the most famous cities in the world. The apartment itself is made up of 4 double bedrooms, with chic decor and exposed brick detailing. The floors are wooden and the kitchen and living area is an open plan, modern and fully furnished. Broadway is only 2 blocks away from this gem. Location really is everything when you're living in a place like New York. Manhattan is famous for its nightlife, popularity as a filming location, cool ambiance, and for Sex and the City. It's one of the best known boroughs in New York and probably one of the coolest places in the world to live in. This apartment share really is a bargain, which just goes to show it is possible to live in luxury at an affordable price if you know where to look. Are you enjoying this video so far? If yes, then please click the like button and subscribe. Your support makes these videos possible. Okay, so at number 3, popping back over to Europe, we're now in Paris, and for the tidy sum of €1,245 a month, you can rent this chic studio in the heart of France's capital city. The prices are going up slightly, but so is the luxury. This studio apartment comes with a concierge and a weekly housekeeping service. Also, all bed linen, towels, and internet are provided at the rental price. The terrace overlooks a large garden, and the location is very peaceful. Located in the Turns Pereire zone, this apartment is situated in one of Paris's most fashionable and exclusive areas. Characterized by its wide avenues, charming walkways, beautiful mansions, squares, and ever-popular bars, and the fact the Bois de Boulogne is only minutes away, it's easy to see why this location is usually so expensive to live in and not affordable for the average person. Now you know that there is affordable accommodation available here, but if you like the look of this studio, you'd better be quick, because at a price like this, it won't stay around for long. The excitement is building now, right? Down to the last 2, and it is a close call. Here we go. For the sum of $1,400 a month, you can rent a luxurious studio in Dolphin Square, one of the most prestigious residential addresses in all of London. This studio apartment was created with an open plan and has a fully equipped kitchen and separate bathroom. It is furnished to an incredibly high standard, the epitome of fashionable and chic. The square itself offers residents other things to make use of, such as a gym, a spa, and a conference room. There are gardens and seating areas dotted around. as well as a dolphin statue in the middle of the square. About 1,200 apartments encircle the square, one of central London's most popular residential areas because of the reasonable rent paired with affordable luxury. So here we are at number 1. The best luxury apartment at the most affordable price is located in Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. For 130,000 euros, you can buy this ready-to-live-in completed condo at Thong Lor Ekama in Bangkok. These one-bedroom apartments are sold fully furnished and have an internet connection, cable TV, air conditioning, a security system, amazing city views, and their own designated parking spaces. Residents can also make use of the communal swimming pool, spa, gym, sauna, barbecue grill, and laundry room. Bangkok is famous for its unique shrines, vibrant nightlife, and low-cost living. The boat-filled Chao Phraya River flows through the heart of the city, and skyscrapers adorn the skyline. Bangkok has become a very wealthy city over the years and is now home to many millionaires, although there is still poverty in certain parts of the city. Tourists flock from all over the world to visit this city, which is only 100 miles away from some fantastic beaches. Who would have thought that for the average price of an apartment in some parts of Europe, you could own your very own luxury condo in this vibrant city? And there you go, folks. 5 luxury apartments in amazing locations that are more or less affordable to the average person. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope you enjoyed this top 5 list. Please don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our videos. Take care and see you all in the next video.